Good day everyone. Good day Sir Orine. I'm Pagasiam from BSMT2Y11. This is my prom assessment Nabi. Find the DR, the reckoning, the estimated position, and running picks. First, we will get the line of position 320 degree. Then we will get a plane position to 40 degree. For the heading of ship, we have 100 degree with the speed of 15 knots. And kukunin po natin ang dead reckoning pa. Para makuha ito, may formula tayo. Speed times 60 divided by 60. Then estimated position. We current experience suddenly current will use same formula. Speed times 60 divided by 60. The running picks. We will drag up the line of position 1 to the estimated position to get the running picks.